there's something else that's really important that binds the 2.3 billion people together. And that is, in 2015, the world made a decision that we would together agree the Sustainable Development Goals. That's a template now for every country in the world, but it's a template for every single one of us in our Commonwealth. We have the same agenda. We also have the same agenda on climate change. COP21 and the implementation of that, COP22. Why? Because we know in this region that the existential threat of climate change is real. I'll say that again, 60% of that population is going to be under the age of 30 by 2030. So the people in this room who are currently under the age of 30, you are not only today's leaders, you are tomorrow's as well. And that future is going to be decided by what you do and what you fail to do. Because lots of people will tell you that doing nothing is not a choice. It is. That doing nothing is not making a decision. It is. If you choose to do nothing, remember that is a choice. And consequences flow from your choices. And it does depend on each of you. Do something to make a difference and make sure those sustainable development goals are owned by each of you and delivered by each of you. Because I want us to remember that what each of us does makes a difference. And everything starts with you. It starts with you. And I've put the challenge right now to cities. And the reason I put it on cities is we know, according to everything the World Bank and others are saying, that cities are going to determine the wealth of our world in the years to come. This challenge starts here in the Caribbean, but I hope it'll go to Africa, to the Pacific, to the ASEAN region, to Europe and to North America. There'll be 6 challenges, but one people. One people.